How to add digital signature in a Word document. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a signature to your Word document. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Word document, and if you want to add your signature here, what you're going to have to do is first convert this Word document into a PDF. You can do that by clicking on File, Save As, and then you can browse it, and you could do this on your desktop. And on your file type, you're going to have to set this to PDF. Now click on Save. And as you can see here, this PDF has opened up on our desktop. So what you're going to have to do is open up your web browser. And then from here, you can just go ahead and simply click and search for digital signature. You'll find different kind of website that allows you to add signature to your PDF. You'll find all of these options. You can use Adobe, I Love PDF, and other websites as well. So let's say if I just go to ilovepdf.com, from here you can select the PDF file from your desktop and click on Only Me. So you're the only one that is going to have your sign. So what you can do is upload your signature or draw it, or you could use a text. So let's say if you want to draw it, you can draw your signature right here. So let's say if you draw your signature something like this, and once you've done your signature, click on apply. You're going to have to write your name here and then click on apply. Once that is done, you'll get this right here. You can drag and drop this signature to your place. Let's drag it right here, and you've gotten your signature like this. So now what you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and download this PDF. So simply click on sign, and now your document is being signed. You can download this file and convert it back to Word. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically add a digital signature to your document. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.